What is up, guys? We got the SXR back. What they pretty much ended up doing was they did a little investigation, and they determined that obviously I was innocent and I didn't really tamper with anything. So they gave me this stupid hen plate sticker, and they issued me a citation for not having any registration. But obviously with everything shut down right now, I couldn't have registered it even if I wanted to. So I'm gonna talk to the judge and see what we can do. But yeah, I mean, I'm glad to have it back. It's pretty much done. So now I'm gonna give the blaster some love. I've been stripping the turf off of this thing, and I don't know if the previous owner just used like a gallon of glue or what, but it's taken me forever. There was like a pull mat underneath the turf on the back. That was pretty fun. And I didn't know that there was like these like rail caps back here from the factory. I got this thing turfed, and I just assumed that the turf kits came with it. So I ordered a new turf kit. This is what I got. I got the black tip elite. That was hard to say. It kind of looks like jet trim knockoffs pretty much, but it's pretty much just a layer of turf and then another layer of turf over it, and then they just cut it out. Looks pretty good. So this is what I'm gonna run. I think it really matches the black and orange I have all over the ski. So not really doing anything inside, but I got these back rail caps from Whamilton's. I think that's how you say it. So we're gonna check these out. I haven't opened them yet. Let's open this box. All right, hopefully I can do the rest with one hand, but that's pretty cool. From 2009. I'll have to look at that. Let's see if I can pull them out. Wow, I love it. Yeah, they were on their eBay store, but I guess there's a blemish somewhere, so they were, I guess, discounted a little bit. You know, they were a little expensive. I think they were like $160, but I had already ordered the turf kit, and then I didn't want to order like another sheet and then, you know, try to turf the rails. So I saw these on eBay, and I was like, you know what? The blaster hasn't really gotten any love since I bought it, so I think this will do. Let's set it on there. Okay. All right, so there's pretty much my vision. I think it's gonna look really good when it's done. And then I don't know if I showed these in the last video, but I got two of these, and then there's my D-cut. Really love that thing. But yeah, so next I'm gonna show some footage of Alec bringing home the 550 SX. Obviously I was editing that video and then everything got seized, so I kind of put a hold on it. But yeah, so here are those clips, and then after that should be wrapping up this, and yeah, we'll check it out. What is up, guys? Got kind of an interesting video today. So Alec found a 1994 Kawasaki 550 SX, absolute mint condition on Facebook Marketplace, with a 650 SX that supposedly needs a top end, and on a trailer, everything for $1,800. So he's on the way to go pick it up right now. I couldn't go, but he's gonna be back in like 30 minutes. So we're gonna check these things out and you know, see what we can do. He's definitely gonna keep the 94, so he's gonna put the 94 and his Superjet on a trailer, and that's gonna be like his setup. And then he's planning to sell the 650 SX, which we have a short block just sitting in my garage right now. So probably gonna throw that short block in there, get the 650 running, install some turf on it, sell that thing, and then he should have a mint 94 SX for like 800 bucks. So let's check out the ad right now and wait for him to get here. All right, guys, we're in the tray of the SXR. Let's check this thing out. Here's the advertisement. It says, in the first picture, the 1990 550 SX pink and white stand-up is an awesome and super fun jet ski. The motor is insanely clean, cranks up on first start, and is completely stock. The blue jet ski does not. Needs a top end. It is a 1989 650 SX. 650 has all new pads, just not installed. The trailer is something I hauled them on, made it myself. We have a title for all 3 items. So 1990 550, that's kind of a red flag. There's the 650 on the trailer. It looks like just a single galvanized trailer that he put some PVC on, but whatever, I guess that'll work. And then there's the first ski of the first picture of the 550. Looks really clean there. Look at that. Mint condition, everything looks awesome. I don't really know what that picture is. There's the engine pick, looks great. And then there's another picture of the 650. Trailer looks decent. There's the tray of the 550, tray of the 650 SX, definitely looks rough, but he says in the ad that turf is included, so I don't know what color it is because Alex's not back yet, but we'll definitely get that installed. And yeah, okay, that's a great picture there. That thing is insanely mint. Just look at that. I can't wait to see this thing in person. But yeah, that's the advertisement. 1850. I think he got it all for 1800. He'll be back soon and we'll check these things out. What? Yes.
Hey,
just back him up. Jeez. Oh, he just stalled. Yes, this man pulls his jet skis around with a Cobra.
No, I don't. I just stalled it. Oh, I didn't realize.
Yo. All this thing needs is some turf.
I got it in the car.
What color?
It's red and black.
Jesus. Dang, son. That is mint. Yeah, true 94. I don't know why the freaking advertisement said 90.
I knew it was a 94.
Damn.
She starts right now.
Start her up. Sounds weird. I'm guessing this one doesn't start up. Oh, jeez, that thing is too nice. All original mats. Dang, dude. This thing's just sat somewhere, man. And it doesn't look like it was sitting in the sun. Like, look at these graphics. That's insane. What's the bottom? Wow, dude. Has this thing ever even been ridden? Look at that. That's insane. All original fuel lines. This thing is mint. How's this trailer look? Honestly, it's not a bad design. And you got a little walking path.
Oh, yeah.
Your Superjet's gonna fit perfectly right here, and then you got the setup.
Yeah.
So we can get this. Let's check out the 650. Does it have a lock?
No.
No. Okay, we'll pop the hood. Here's the engine bay on the 650 SX. I mean, pretty. It looks bone stock. Wondering if this is a. It looks like it's a Frankenstein motor. Looks like it's got a silver bottom end and then a black top end. But the advertisement said the top end was bad, so maybe we'll do a quick compression test and see what it's got. So he got all this stuff as well. Let's see, what is this? What is this, the chin cover? Chin pad cover? Dang, dude. And then the mat. 3 titles. What's the, we got it, that's classified information.
It is. They're whole numbers.
I can't, like, dude. Look at that.
It's pretty white.
Just about out. Got the motor out, but we had one issue. The cooling line broke off at the hole, unfortunately. So we're gonna have to figure that out. And then we got the new motor over here. New motor. This is out of 650 SX as well. Good to go, but a little bit of rust. No big deal though. Good strong motor. So I just watched a video on Jetski Brothers. Shout out Jacob. And this line is like an extra line that is the exhaust drain. And in his video, he replaced the other line, but he showed us that. Let's see if we can see it. I can't really see it in here. Yeah, up there, there's just pretty much a drain, and it's like an extra line basically. So we're gonna use that as the cooling, and then we're gonna do the dry pipe mod on the 650 pipe. So I guess we're just gonna say screw this other line and get this thing on the water. All right, we got the little baby 28mm carb bolted on the motor, flywheel covers on. That's pretty much it. Luckily, this motor is from a 650 SX, so we have an E-box. We like use the Sawzall to chop that other one up, so kind of just cut through pretty much everything. But start-stop switch, we'll wire right in, and then we have the other positive cable, so we're good there. And then we pretty much just put new fuel line on, all clear. We just had that stuff on the shelf. We're pretty much trying to do this with everything that we have here, not trying to order anything. And then tomorrow we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get a new pump to suck all the old fuel out. But sun's pretty much going down right now, so we're gonna mess with this tomorrow. It just sounds weird when it's idling for some reason.
Why?
I don't know. Maybe it's loading up. Maybe the fuel's old. Who knows?
It probably is.
But yeah, guys, that is pretty much going to do it for this video. Got the turf installed. It didn't come out as good as I had wanted it to, because I guess with him using all of that glue on the outsides, it really just pulled up all of my paint and made it not look as good as it should. So maybe I'll find something like to touch up all of this blue, but I don't know, that kind of bugs me. I don't think that it would bug most people, but the turf itself looks really good. I love it. And then I had my carbon fiber pieces on, and I took it to the lake last weekend. I used contact cement on both sides, and I clamped it down and I let it sit for like 2 days. I thought that would have been good enough, but it wasn't, and I lost one of them at the lake. So I contacted Hamilton's to see if I can order just one piece, because I really do not feel like spending another $200 to get both. But yeah, that's where we're at. I really do like this kit. It looks really good, and I feel like it's adhering quite well compared to my other ones, because this is the one that comes with the 3M backing. And then I switched back to my little white trailer, and I got my SXR and my Superjet to fit on it. Surprisingly, it's pretty tight. Like, look at that. But yeah, I'm gonna start running this trailer. It was just too much with my big gray one to, you know, I couldn't just load up in 15 minutes and go to the lake. It's hard to fit in just a single door garage. So I'm selling this thing. I think I have it sold today for 400 bucks. It doesn't have any paperwork or anything, but yeah, so we're gonna start working on that 650 SX and drop another video really soon. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate it.